Hi there! Welcome to the 30-day community map challenge. That's 28 days long, but today is day one, and I am so excited that you are joining with us on this challenge. I want to just give you a prompt and some ideas of things that you can look at and map today. So today falls within our context pillar. So today we are mapping location. So the reason why we have this context category. So we think that being able to place your community within the broader context of either the city, the region, the world is super important. So just being able to understand how your place is impacted or impacts the places around it really does matter. So this first day is location, and then actually it's location, boundary, region, and built environment. So, the next in two times region, you could say that location and region are maybe sort of similar, but today the idea is just let's map the location. Where is this? Whereas region is more, what are the places that are around it? So I just want to give you some ideas and places where you could think to get data. So you could just simply use a base map to map what is around your neighborhood. You could use OpenStreetMap, which is a fantastic resource of free data. I personally really like a website called geofabrik.com, geofabrik.com, which enables you to download the data from OpenStreetMap in a sort of more usable format, and there aren't some of the download limits that you have if you use the OpenStreetMap Overpass API to download the data. So again, that is GeoFabrik. So with using a base map or using OpenStreetMap data, you can just sort of map it within the region. John Nelson, who works for Esri, has done some beautiful work on mapping rivers, and but sort of using an old cartography style. If you are like placing things at a really high level context in terms of like, where is this in the world? So that is also something that you could think about. So there are so many different options for mapping the context of your place. Now, I do want to, I'm just really excited to see what you come up with. You can reply to this, put a comment on here and let me know what questions or how you are planning to do this. But I also want to remind you that you can submit your map to our atlas. We have to just personally review all of those to make sure that there's nothing bad that's getting posted, but we're not like filtering out and like only selecting good ones, right? Just submit your map, and then it'll be put in our online atlas of these maps. So that is at our website, which is www.thecommunitymaps.org, and you can go submit maps and just fill out the form and upload an image. It has to be a JPEG or a PNG. We can't have a PDF for you to upload. So just upload that, and then it will get added to our website. And then that's a way that your work can then become useful to other people. So I'm really excited about this challenge. Let me know what questions you might have.